Welcome back, guys. This is my first video of 2021. I know. I can't believe what the mess 2020 was just crazy. I want to start this year off with a bang, and we're gonna do it with a giveaway. This is going to be my biggest giveaway I've done. I'm so excited for it. I was saving this one for when I hit 7,000 subscribers, which I did do, but then I recently just dropped some, so I went just below, but I'm gonna count it as is, and we're gonna do it anyway. We gotta start 2021 off a good way. So I'm quickly going to show you everything that I have been saving up. This thing is packed full. Quickly, I will go over some of the rules. You must subscribe to me. You must like this video. You must watch till the end and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what product you're most excited for that's included in this giveaway. And for a bonus entry, you can go and follow me over on Instagram at minsbeauty86, as I'll have this giveaway going up over there as well. So I don't want this video to be too long. We're gonna hop into it. The first thing I'm including is this lipstick holder. I do have a few of these and they're just amazing, so I wanted to add one into this. The next thing is the Kat Von D Alchemist Palette. I have this. I absolutely love it. The inside of these, I love. I don't use these to highlight my face, but I love using them in my inner corners of my eyes for like my eye highlight, depending on what color my shadow is that day. So much fun. Also, if you didn't know, my name is Amanda, and that has a giant A on it. I have this palette, I love it. One of you will get it. Next thing up, we have a Purifying Peel Off Face Mask. This is just a brand from the drugstore, it's a great mask. So we have the Grown Alchemist. This is the Detox Night Cream. There's the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. If you've watched my channel for any amount of time recently, you'll know that I've been using a hair brand called Save Me From. They were so kind as to include their full-size Thermal Obsessions into this giveaway. So definitely go check them out over on Instagram. I'll link their handle right here. One of you will get the chance to try them out. Also, we have the Viseart, the professional makeup. This is, what palette is this? It's like the Neutral Mattes 01 or something. I do have the palette, let me grab it. This is the palette that is in that Viseart box. It is just such an amazing formula. I'm also including the Lavito. This is the Age Away Replenishing Cream. From Ciate London, the Editor Palette. The packaging is super cute. These are the shades inside. Over from Ace Beauty, we have the Blossom Passion palette. Look at these colors, okay? They are just absolutely stunning. We have the Elizabeth Mott Volumizing Mascara. It's so big. From Milk Makeup, we have the Lit Stick highlighter, as well as the charcoal swabs. There's 50 of them in here. They're just like a cleaning swab. We have this little round brush from Spornet. a bunch of the Messiji Fresh Pulling Oil. These are for your teeth. They were sent over to me. I got a few boxes of them, so I wanted to include a bunch for one of you guys to try as well. If you haven't heard about the pulling oil, it's supposed to be amazing for your teeth. And I want to include a little pair of earrings here because I thought they were really pretty, as well as a couple little hair clips. I do have the same ones and I use them and I love them. We got a few brushes here, one from Morphe, two from Crown, a pair of lashes from a company called Lash Carnival. They sent me a whole bunch. They are amazing lashes. They're so comfy and they just look spectacular. A giant gold face mask from Grace and Stella. I have used these. It's like a jelly, feels like jelly, and my skin feels amazing after I use it. And then we have two eyeliners from Saint Luxe. We have one in like a goldy brown shade and then one in black. And then there's gonna be just a few like sample things thrown into the mix. But yes, I'm so excited. I'm so ecstatic that I get the chance to be able to accumulate things like this from different companies and I'm able to share it back with you guys. So yes, don't forget the rules. Hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment what you're most excited to win. Also, for a bonus entry, go follow me on Instagram at minsbeauty86 and leave your Instagram handle in the comments below. If you don't have Instagram, leave your email or some kind of way that I can contact you if you are the winner. I will have this open until January 31st of 2021. Best of luck to you all, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.